We are Jake and Emily, the two roaming souls. In our last video, we were exploring Vietnam, but we hopped on a plane and headed over to Thailand. First stop, Chiang Mai, where we get acquainted with the local cuisine via a cooking class and hang with the elephants at a local sanctuary.
So today we're participating in a cooking class, and first stop,
we're at a market.
So we're gonna pick up some of the ingredients we're gonna use to cook, and it should be fun.
It was really quite a cool cooking class experience. We each individually got to choose 5 different items to make, from appetizer, soup, curry, stir fry, and dessert. So of course, Jake and I chose different items so we could learn to cook and taste 10 different things. And really, all tasted divine. Our favorite ended up being the khao soi. It's a popular dish made in northern Thailand that is super rich in flavor.
Later that evening, our chef dropped us off at one of the famous Chiang Mai night markets. From there, we explored the local culture. One of the coolest things we did in our travels through Southeast Asia was visiting an elephant sanctuary. Tourists in Thailand will find themselves being pitched all kinds of experiences with elephants, but it's important to know that they are not all created equal. While you may have seen people riding elephants and dream of riding them yourself, there really is no ethical way to ride elephants. For too long, these majestic animals have been tortured and made submissive to the whims of passing tourists.
There are still many places mistreating these animals, breaking their spirit from a young age, keeping them in chains, and forcing them to perform until their breaking point, and all just for human pleasure. Some tourists may not see the dark side to elephant tourism, but even plenty of well-intentioned people do witness the cruelty and end up feeling guilty and misled.
Elephant Nature Park is one of the most well-respected animal sanctuaries in the world. They have taken in over 100 elephants into their care, many of whom are physically injured and/or socially damaged from a life of torture. The elephants here are given open range of the property, forming their own social groups, playing in the mud, cooling off in the river, none of which is orchestrated for the human visitors.
It's quite heartbreaking to see elephants with broken hips and ankles, inability to socialize with other elephants, blindness, tumors, and other ailments. But that makes your heart melt when seeing the elephants enjoying their new, better life here. The blind elephants make friends who help guide them around the property, and the baby elephants find the foster parents willing and able to nurture them. It's really so heartwarming.
Nothing about the elephant's behavior is forced for the visitor's enjoyment here. You simply get to enjoy observing the elephants living naturally, how they normally would. You can sense their intelligence through their personalities and emotions. Joy, curiosity, jealousy, compassion, and hunger. You ever seen an animal put an entire watermelon in its mouth? You can take pictures with a few exceptionally friendly elephants, but it's very much on their terms.
After visiting the Elephant Nature Park, our hearts throbbed for the innocent elephants who had once been abused and worked to exhaustion. We hope by sharing this information, it educates people to choose ethical elephant experiences. Thanks for coming along on another Two Roaming Souls adventure. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next adventure.